What do you want?
What do you want?
Que veux-tu? Que veux-tu?
What do you want?
Where are you now?
Where are you now?
Où es-tu en ce moment? Où es-tu en ce moment?
Where are you now?
Why are you sad?
Why are you sad?
Pourquoi es-tu triste? Pourquoi es-tu triste?
Why are you sad?
Who called you?
Who called you?
Qui vous a appelé? Qui vous a appelé?
Who called you?
Which movie do you like?
Which movie do you like?
Quel film aimes-tu? Quel film aimes-tu?
Which movie do you like?
What is happening here?
What is happening here?
Que se passe-t-il ici? Que se passe-t-il ici?
What is happening here?
When will they come?
When will they come?
Quand viendront-ils? Quand viendront-ils?
When will they come?
When will they leave?
When will they leave?
Quand partiront-ils? Quand partiront-ils?
When will they leave?
When do you sleep?
When do you sleep?
Quand dors-tu? Quand dors-tu?
When do you sleep?
Why is he upset?
Why is he upset?
Pourquoi est-il énervé? Pourquoi est-il énervé?
Why is he upset?
Who is at the door?
Who is at the door?
Qui est à la porte? Qui est à la porte?
Who is at the door?
Whose shoes are these?
Whose shoes are these?
À qui sont ces chaussures? À qui sont ces chaussures?
Whose shoes are these?
What did he buy?
What did he buy?
Qu'a-t-il acheté? Qu'a-t-il acheté?
What did he buy?
Where does she work?
Where does she work?
Où travaille-t-elle? Où travaille-t-elle?
Where does she work?
Where are they going to?
Where are they going to?
Où vont-ils? Où vont-ils?
Where are they going to?
Where is the bus?
Where is the bus?
Où est le bus? Où est le bus?
Where is the bus?
When does the class start?
When does the class start?
Quand commence le cours? Quand commence le cours?
When does the class start?
When did the rain start?
When did the rain start?
Quand la pluie a-t-elle commencé? Quand la pluie a-t-elle commencé?
When did the rain start?
Is he sick?
Is he sick?
Est-il malade? Est-il malade?
Is he sick?
Who made the dinner?
Who made the dinner?
Qui a préparé le dîner? Qui a préparé le dîner?
Who made the dinner?
Can she drive?
Can she drive?
Peut-elle conduire? Peut-elle conduire?
Can she drive?
Why is he so confused?
Why is he so confused?
Pourquoi est-il si confus? Pourquoi est-il si confus?
Why is he so confused?
Do you know the password? Do you know the password?
Connaissiez-vous le mot de passe? Connaissiez-vous le mot de passe?
Do you know the password? Can you help me please?
Can you help me please?
Pouvez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? Pouvez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît?
Can you help me please?
Can you tell me why?
Can you tell me why?
Pouvez-vous me dire pourquoi? Pouvez-vous me dire pourquoi?
Can you tell me why?
Can you fix the car?
Can you fix the car?
Pouvez-vous réparer la voiture? Pouvez-vous réparer la voiture?
Can you fix the car?
Is it interesting?
Is it interesting?
Est-ce intéressant? Est-ce intéressant?
Is it interesting?
Can I come today?
Can I come today?
Puis-je venir aujourd'hui? Puis-je venir aujourd'hui?
Can I come today?
May I come tomorrow?
May I come tomorrow?
Puis-je venir demain? Puis-je venir demain?
May I come tomorrow? Can you teach me English?
Can you teach me English?
Pouvez-vous m'apprendre l'anglais? Pouvez-vous m'apprendre l'anglais?
Can you teach me English?
Can we start the meeting?
Can we start the meeting?
Pouvons-nous commencer la réunion? Pouvons-nous commencer la réunion?
Can we start the meeting?
Can anyone speak French here?
Can anyone speak French here?
Quelqu'un peut-il parler français ici? Quelqu'un peut-il parler français ici?
Can anyone speak French here?
When will you start?
When will you start?
Quand commencerez-vous? Quand commencerez-vous?
When will you start?
Where should I start?
Where should I start?
Par où devrais-je commencer? Par où devrais-je commencer?
Where should I start?
Where did he go?
Where did he go?
Où est-il allé? Où est-il allé?
Where did he go?